Next, we're going to make our video look better. So if you come over to filters on the top menu bar here, and what you have here is different filters that are going to change the colors of your video. And if you have them downloaded already, you can see a preview just by hovering over it. So there's black and white. You can see it changes me. It hasn't applied it yet. It's just previewing what that'll look like. And then this first one that says Oppenheimer gives that Oppenheimer cinematic look. If I wanted to apply that, I could click on this plus button and you can see that it creates a new layer, that little bit right there. And so for that portion of the video, which is only like a second or two long, it's going to turn into that Oppenheimer look. And I can make that fill the entire video by clicking on that filter, that layer, and dragging it. I get that big bar, and then I drag it so that it fills the entire video. And now that Oppenheimer filter is going to be in effect for this whole thing. But I'm going to go with something else. I'm going to delete this. I just highlight it, right click, delete, and it's gone. So I'm going to go through, find one I like, and then I'll meet you for the next step. Okay, I'm going to go with this one called shadow. So I'll just hit that plus button. And now it's been applied to that section. I'm going to drag it so it fills my entire project. And I'll just spot check it to make sure it looks good in all areas. And I got to drag this just a little bit more to the left. There we go. And I like it. So that's our filter. The next thing you can do is apply an effect, which is over here on the effect setting. And you have video effects and body effects. I'm going to do a body effect. And if I come here into these trending ones, I can add like these lightning bolt kind of things behind me, these different like swirly effects. And I'll just click on one, hit the plus button. And it does that kind of thing. So if you like these, you can go through and add that to your video. And when you're ready, I'll see you in lesson 9, which you can find conveniently by clicking on the link on your screen.